Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Classification. The COX group of enzymes are divided into two types. We have non-selective COX group of individuals and we have selective or preferential COX-2 blockers. So first, non-selective COX group of drugs include, we have in the non-selective COX group of drugs, we have salicylates. The salicylates are aspirin. Then we have propionic acid derivatives. Propionic acid derivatives are ibuprofen, naproxen, ibuprofen, naproxen, ketoprofen, ibuprofen, naproxen, ketoprofen, and flurbiprofen. So, propionic acid derivatives are ibuprofen, naproxen, ketoprofen, and flurbiprofen. Then we have anthracycline derivatives, antranilic acid derivatives. Antranilic acid derivatives are mefenamic acid. And we have aryl acetate derivatives. Aryl acetate derivatives are diclofenac. These are diclofenac and aceclofenac. Diclofenac, aceclofenac. Then we have oxycam derivatives. Oxycam derivatives are pyroxycam and tenoxycam are oxycam derivatives. Then we have pyrrolopyrrole derivatives. Pyrrolopyrrole derivatives are ketorolac or pyrrolopyrrole derivatives. Then we have indole derivatives. Indole derivatives are indomethacin is an indole derivative. Then we have pyrazolone derivatives are phenylbutazone and oxyphenylbutazone or pyrazolone derivatives. Then we have preferential or selective COX-2 blockers. These selective COX-2 inhibitors or blockers are nimesulide. Then we have meloxicam. Then we have namibutone. Then there is also one more group which is analgesic or antipyretic. They are analgesic, they can be used for reducing pain and they will also reduce fever. They are analgesic, antipyretic with poor anti-inflammatory action. They are very poor anti-inflammatory action. So the best drug in this group is para-aminophenol derivative. This para-aminophenol derivative is actually paracetamol, which is acetaminophen, or we have pyrazolone, which is derivative, which is actually metamizole, and we also have propionazole. Then we have benzoxazine derivative. The benzoxazine derivative is actually nefopam, is a benzoxazine derivative.
thank you and thank you for watching.